visit. Here is the sign to the Tropicana here. If you look across the street, there's the monorail track. Disneyland's right over there. And here's where you check in. This is the lobby area. They also have this little store here too, if you wanted to go there while you were staying here. This is more of the hotel. And we'll go around here. Kind of look around. It's a fairly decent sized place. I'm not sure how many rooms they have here. I'll take you over to where our room is. Let me go through here. I picked a lower level room just because then I can just unload my stuff right to the car, and our car's right by the room, so it's really nice. However, I don't know if the upper rooms would maybe have a view of Disneyland. I'm not sure. I'm gonna say no, but I'm not sure. There's our Jeep right there. And oops, a little bit further here. We're just past where our Jeep is. 139, so let's go in, check it out. This in front of it, and it unlocks the door. Okay, so we are in our room at the Tropicana, and I thought I'd show you what the room is like in case you would want to stay here when you visit Disneyland. So it looks pretty good. I did talk to them up at the desk, and they told me that this has been here before Disneyland was opened. This was built, obviously it's been redone since, but it's a fairly decent hotel. It's almost directly across the street from Disneyland. Just kind of showing you. In our room we have a couple queen beds maybe, and so halfway decent room, pretty good size. Let me turn the light on over here. Alright, so there you have it, and this is the bathroom, which is wide open as far as your sink and that, and the huge mirror with a light around it. You've got, I don't know, stuff over here. I'll let you can see what's there, the hangers and the ironing board and iron. I'm not sure what's in here. It might be an extra blanket or something. So, and then we'll just look in here. Let me flip the light on. So, just a standard shower. The nice thing is it's very well lit. Here's the back. So, just a basic bathroom. So, like, we have not stayed here before, so this is a first. I think the cost, we're in the summertime months. I think current prices right now is about $220 and a night, but I had a $100 coupon off is why we stayed at this one. They do have a safe right here, and a bunch of cupboards and that. I'm assuming there's probably a refrigerator in here. Yeah, refrigerator, microwave. Okay, back over by the bed too, it's more lighting in here. So you turn these switches on, there's more. So you got those two spotlights. So man, it's really well lit. That's nice. TV, I may have said that. And it looks like an ice bucket, coffee maker above where the safe is. So pretty nice. Another mirror over there. So halfway decent room. And looks like a air conditioner right there. Room air conditioner. Probably, maybe heater. Yeah, room air conditioner, heater. So halfway decent. Oh, here you go. This is where, if you look right here, it actually tells some of the prices. So there you go. You can, gives you an idea of what they charge for this place. So, not necessarily the cheapest place, but again, you're across the street from Disneyland. And if there's a disadvantage, you do have to pay to park here. It's $15 a day. So that's the one disadvantage, that you do have to pay beyond, the cost of the hotel. Okay, so that's pretty much the review of this room. Overall, it looks pretty good, and we'll get a good night's sleep tonight, hopefully, and go back to Disneyland tomorrow. We did stay in another hotel the first night, and then I had the coupon for this one. I could have stayed elsewhere as well, but wanted to be close to the park, so at least one of our days is close to the park. So tomorrow it's back to Disneyland, and hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. There are more Disneyland videos coming up, so make sure you check those out, and we will see you next time, guys.